Here's a 2019 Lexus RX. Luxury awaits in every Lexus. And with features like these, every drive's a pleasure. Automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, smart device navigation, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, leather steering wheel, and V6 engine. Take it for a test drive today.
At Lexus of North Miami, we're located on US 1 Biscayne Boulevard in North Miami, just minutes from the Turnpike I-95 and 441.